just outside of Carlsberg. Caught the sun set last night, getting the sunrise. Today, the crows are about pecking pieces of dawn. This is what it looks like in the Karoo. I'll send more when it breaks. There they are. Carlsberg's original name is Tuiverberg, which means magic mountain in English. It's a balmy Karoo day. Gentle breeze. Gotta love it. I think there's some roadkill here, that's why the crows are around. Morning OGs, Cameroon, Rolling Stoner. So I want to show you something really cool. Taz's mom used to call this, so you know that the sun rises on the left. The eyelid of the night, the remnants of night still hanging in the air over the Karoo. That direction is Cape Town. I would have a fun fact for you international tourists, but my navigator's ill-equipped at the moment. Black springboks doing their thing in the morning. And it's a bottom pop. And just for good measure, if you want to see this sunset over here on the N9 outside of Carlsberg, you want to come to Wolverfontein Guest House. There's the phone number. Isn't it amazing? I wrote a poem called Dawn. How secretive she is. Slipping into our days. Springbok all hanging out over there. The beginning of a new one, a new chance, a new opportunity, a new breath, new smiles, new faces, as if today was the first day of being alive. And so life is about to begin. A new day, a new dawn. Look at that. Essentially special. Check it out, guys, what sunrise looks like in the Free State. 40 k's out of Bloemfontein. Man, oh man, this is special. Check it out, guys. Sunrise in the Free State. It's just broken the horizon. The sun is just cracked. Sky right open. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Wow. Route 420, guys. Rolling Stoner style.